Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the volume of the air decreased by 30% after 10 seconds. And the initial volume, which is the original volume of the balloon, is 8,610 cm3. Find the volume of air that is left. Okay. So it decreased by 30%. So I'm going to find the decrease first. And this 30% of original 8,610. (2,583 cm3) of air. So the volume of the air that is left will then be original minus away what has been decreased by, and this will give me 6,027 cm3. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.